My name's Linda Late. I moved here from Alberta, but I grew up both in Ontario and in Scotland. And I'm currently completing a PhD in biology, focusing on molecular biology and evolution. I'm studying the population genetics and population structure of two at-risk marine fish species, the Atlantic cod and the Atlantic wolffish. So what we're doing is we're using the fish DNA to try to understand how the populations are structured. So if you have two fish, one in population in Labrador and one in population in Newfoundland, we can tell whether there's any kind of dispersal or gene flow going on between the different populations. This could be important for things such as conservation of the fish species and management of the fish populations, as we'll know if the populations are unique or whether there's lots of connections going on. I chose to come out to Memorial primarily based on some fieldwork I did when I was doing my master's in Alberta. I came out and did fieldwork in Newfoundland for 2 weeks. I fell in love with the province and I decided I wanted to come out and spend some time here. Living in Newfoundland is very different than living in anywhere else I've lived before. It's a very small city, which is very nice. You can get anywhere in pretty much sort of 10 or 15 minutes. It also has some very beautiful scenery and countryside within sort of a 10 or 15 minute drive, so it's just a really nice place to live. There's a number of things about the graduate study program at Memorial University which make it a really good place to go. So it's a much larger graduate program than I'm used to, coming from a smaller university in Alberta. But even though there are a lot of graduate students, there seem to be a fairly tight-knit community, which is very nice. For my project in particular, I have a lot of freedom to take it wherever I want to go, within reason obviously. For instance, next summer I'll actually be going and spending some time up in Nunavut, which is something I wouldn't be able to do if I was at another university. There's also the fact that the ocean is a 10-minute drive away, which always makes a weekend very nice.